This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are stir frying Thai style morning glory or water spinach. Here's another easy recipe that you can put together very quickly and cook it even faster. This dish just requires a few simple ingredients. You'll need morning glory, garlic, chilies, cooking oil, and water. When buying morning glory, look for leaves that are dark green in color. Make sure that they are not wilted or turning yellow. Cut the root ends off. Then, cut them into about 3 inches in length. And put them in a large plate. Chop 2 cloves of garlic, and put them on top of the vegetables. Slice up the chili and put them on top of the vegetables as well. Now, the smaller you cut the chilies, the hotter the dish will be, so adjust accordingly. You can also leave the chili out of this dish altogether. For the seasoning, you can add the seasoning directly onto the morning glory itself as well. You will need oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, soybean paste, to cook, put your wok over a medium heat. When the wok is hot, add in the oil. And when the oil is hot, put in all the vegetables and seasoning into the wok. Give it a good stir and add in some water. Cover and let the steam from the water cook the vegetables. Cook it for about 1 minute or 2, depending on how crispy or tender you would like it to be. I like mine to be more crispy, so I only leave it in there for about a minute. Taste and adjust for seasoning. And we are done. This is Thai style stir fry morning glory.